If you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos. Standard 10 Language Study. Question 1 Language Study. Marks. Part 4 of 5. Question 1 A. Do as directed. 8 marks. Question 1 B. Do as directed. 2 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters. 2 marks. Answer: gentle, enemy, season, farmer. Second, put the following words in an alphabetical order. 2 marks. Answer: first, important, lock, paint, street. Second, fall, format, fraction, frequent. Third, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. Answer: first, are you really serious? She asked me. Second, yesterday it rained heavily, didn't it? Fourth, make 4 words, minimum of 3 letters each, using the letters in the given word. 2 marks. Literature. Answer: liter, true, rate, air. Fifth, write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. Student, honest. Answer: student, honest, sincere, obedient, studious, wise. Sixth, complete the word chains of noun. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. 2 marks. Answer: courage, east, tough, height, tame. Question 1 B. Language Study. Do as directed. 2 marks. First, A. Make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase. 1 mark. In order to. Answer: my father works overtime in order to earn more. B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. Mother was cooking meal while. Answer: mother was cooking meal while father was watching TV. Second, 1 mark. A. Add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words. A. Possible. B. Courage. Answer: A. Impossible. B. Discourage. B. Make a meaningful sentence. A. Possible. B. Courage. Answer. Never discourage anybody from doing good work.